Hello students, I welcome you all again. Alright, today the topic that we will discuss is about diary entry. Its format, what is it, and how you can write. Alright, with the examples also. Alright, so before telling about the format, I would like to discuss what is a diary entry. Okay, so diaries are extremely popular. All sorts of people ranging from young children to presidents of nation have kept them, right? So diary entry is a type of short composition that records the writer's thoughts, reactions and feelings about the activities which he or she has taken part during a particular day. So all right, so of a particular day, it helps give an outlet to emotions which the writer is not able to confine into friends or family. It is generally not meant to be read by anyone else than the writer. Why? Because as usual, if you are expressing something, all right, so what you are expressing your personal thoughts, right? So if you are expressing your personal thoughts and everything, you won't like to read it to anyone. When you are not able to express anything to your friends or family, you make a note in the diary just to take out whatever is going on in your mind. All right, so a diary can be a friend, confidant, tool that supports feelings. Okay, so now it can be a facilitator of clarity in thoughts or just a collection of dreams and what the writer imagines that contains in a diary, right? So more often than that, people find great comfort in writing a diary during their most stressful period, when a storm is getting inside you and you're not able to express it. So you go to the diary, take it out and just note it down what had happened, right? During those stressful time periods. Now, a sterling example of such a diary, you must have read about her story also. Diary was kept by Anne Frank. Okay, she was a Jewish girl during more than 2 years in hiding during the Second World War. That is a famous diary entry which she made, and you also know about her, I hope. So now, as I have already discussed the purpose, a diary is a kind of personal document. Yes, it records an individual's account of a day, of his or her life, right? So now moving ahead for the format, just wanted to discuss features of a diary. Diary entry has the following features. Okay, following features like it is written in informal and creative language, but still follows a specific format. Okay, so it is always written in the first person and in the past tense, as it is a record. First person means I. It usually starts with the day of the week, date and time. Okay, usually at the end of the day at the top left corner. Now this may be followed by a greeting similar to Dear Diary. You are addressing, right? So the important events of the day are usually recounted in chronological order, using vivid descriptions wherever necessary. So the entry may include the writer's state of mind, comments on the event, or a final comment about expectations of future. Now it ends with the writer writing his or her first name. Okay, so points that you have to kept in mind is language must be informal. Use short sentences and record different happenings in different paragraphs. Stress more on emotions and feelings than on the actual events. Now maintain the word limit. Alright. Word limit of the entry, excluding date, time, greeting and writer's name, to within 100 to 150 words. Okay. So you have to keep this in your mind. Okay. Now let's quickly move to the format. Now format is very simple. Top left. Alright, top left of your page is date, day and time. Now tense most frequently is used simple past, present perfect and future. First person application. Alright, now steps. Begin the entry with general sentence describing the day or momentary feelings. Okay, in the body you may discuss or an event, your feelings towards it, how it is likely to affect your future plans. Now After that, conclude with final remark and future course of action. Alright, so now I have also given you a solved example. Like you are Naresh, you happen to go to Agra in a crowded bus on a hot summer day. Now you have to record your experience in the form of a diary entry. So as I told you, first you have to write date. You will not write DAT. You will just mention the date. This is a sample, so that is why I have written date. Then here day, then time. At the time you are making entry. So you can go through this. How I have written, just see. Today I had the bitterest experience of my life, and I never, you can see first person I, it is used here. Okay, so after that you can also mention after this, dear diary. Okay, so at last you can write, I shall never forget this journey in my life. Then your first name, Naresh. Okay, so now I have also given you questions for practice. These are 2 questions. Alright, so simultaneously please go through these, read these questions and try to answer. And you must also, go through the format. If you face any difficulty, please let me know, and please leave a comment, or anything you else want to know, please let me know. Thank you.